Welcome to SuiteTrails. Get ready to embark on a breathtaking journey as we unveil the top 7 cruises and boat tours in the enchanting city of Paris, France. Join us as we explore the iconic Seine River and discover the hidden gems of this captivating destination. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Embark on a round-trip cruise on the River Seine that begins at the foot of the Eiffel Tower. Glide under the bridges of Paris and marvel at a succession of beautiful monuments along the waterway as you listen to commentary about Paris and the sights you pass by. During your cruise, you pass by the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, Hôtel de Ville, the Louvre, and more. Choose to take your cruise at night for another perspective of the City of Light altogether as the city becomes illuminated when evening approaches. Individual audio guides are available in 14 languages and provide commentary about Paris and its history, monuments, and architecture. Please note the audio guide is available through your smartphone by connecting to the Wi-Fi on board. Number 2. Spend Christmas on the River Seine in the heart of Paris. Indulge in a festive Christmas lunch or dinner while admiring the city's most iconic and spectacular monuments. Get in the Christmas spirit with holiday music on board. Bring your friends or family along for an ultimate stress-free celebration this holiday season. Choose between a lunch or dinner cruise with a glass of champagne and appetizers. The menu starts with duck foie gras with seasonal chutney, main course is veal steak, truffle juice, vegetable mikado, and dessert chocolate coup de foudre, wild berry coulis. Drinks included: 1/2 bottle of wine, rosé, white or red, 1/2 bottle of mineral water and coffee. Number 3. Take a day or evening cruise on the River Seine and enjoy spectacular views of Paris illuminated against the night sky or while the sun is out. Enjoy informative audio commentary on your smartphone as you cruise on this boat trip past the city's most famous buildings. Embark on this round-trip boat excursion to see Paris by night or day. Listen to the onboard audio guide commentary on your smartphone, available in 14 languages, to learn more about the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and other attractions. Glide gently through the Paris of today and yesterday as you enjoy panoramic views from the classic trimaran boat with terrace and exterior passageways. Marvel at iconic sites such as the Eiffel Tower, Les Invalides, and Musée d'Orsay. See the spooky gargoyles of Notre Dame and pass the imposing facade of the Louvre Museum, Grand Palais, and many more sights. Number 4. Bask in the night glow of Paris on a Seine River sightseeing cruise. Tour the City of Lights and soak in the relaxing atmosphere on board as music plays. Take in a panoramic view of the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, Notre Dame de Paris, the Orsay Museum, the Alexandre III Bridge, the Concorde Square, the Petite and Grand Palace, the Marie Bridge, and many more as you sail. To learn more about the monuments you see, download the tour app to use during the cruise. Download instructions found on confirmation voucher. Number 5. Enjoy an unforgettable experience with our dinner cruises on the Seine River in Paris. Embark on a 1 hour and 45 minutes cruise starting from Île aux Cygnes to Île St. Louis and be enchanted by the charms of the City of Light. Indulge in a delightful dinner while seated in club-style armchairs, facing the Seine and savoring breathtaking views. In addition to the cozy and elegant interior of the boat, the cruise ship also features an outdoor terrace. Take advantage of the fresh air and panoramic views at any time during the cruise, whether for memorable photo opportunities or simply to soak in the romantic atmosphere of Paris. This dinner cruise on the Seine is the perfect opportunity to celebrate a special occasion. Enjoy a romantic evening for two, or unwind with friends. Book now and treat yourself to a unique experience that combines a delectable dinner, stunning landscapes, and captivating ambiance in the heart of Paris. Number 6. Our pier is located in the center of Paris, near the Pont Neuf and many of the city's 5-star hotels. Easily reached by public transport, the bateaux mouches are very well served. Free parking is also available. On arrival, you will be met by our reception staff, who will take care of you and show you how to get to the boat, which is only a few steps away. On the boat, you will be in the hands of our maître d'hôtel, who will accompany you to your table and introduce you to the evening. An aperitif will be served as the boat leaves the quay and the adventure on the water begins. Heading for the Île de la Cité, the boat will show you the monuments of Paris, but also its bridges, its quays, its houses with a view on the Seine. Paris history is in front of you. Once you have made your choice from our à la carte menu, the dishes will be brought to you as you go along, leaving you time, between one dish and the next, to chat, admire the outside through our bay windows, or why not climb onto the upper deck for an unforgettable and romantic break. Don't forget to take your camera or your mobile phone with you, especially when the boat passes in front of the Eiffel Tower at the precise moment when it shines with all its lights. A piano and a violin will accompany your dinner, creating a joyful and romantic atmosphere. If you're coming on board for a special occasion, don't hesitate to tell our staff. They will make it even more special. The return to the dock will be smooth, with dessert and coffee to conclude the evening in a joyful and good mood. All this is the Seine with the Compagnie des Bateaux Mouches. Number 7. Get the keys to the city of Paris with a combined ticket for the Louvre Museum and a river cruise. Visit the iconic Louvre Museum with a reserved access ticket and join a cruise on the River Seine at any time of the day. Marvel at works of art, from ancient Egypt to the Renaissance, walking at your own pace. Then, relax on a 1-hour river cruise and see the city from a different angle. Watch the world go by from the comfort of a pleasure cruise boat, departing from the Eiffel Tower every day. The river cruise ticket is valid for any day during the next 6 months. It runs approximately every 30 minutes, 7 days a week, departing from Alma Bridge, a few minutes walk from the Eiffel Tower. Book the Louvre reserved access, cruise and Eiffel Tower option and upgrade your stay in Paris with a visit to the Eiffel Tower. From the Eiffel Tower, enjoy bird's eye views of Paris from the second-floor observation deck of the Eiffel Tower. Meet your guide next to the Eiffel Tower for a brief introduction to the history of the tower. Then, enjoy access to the second floor by elevator, and hear interesting tales and anecdotes about the tower's unique history from your guide. Learn more about the City of Light, and enjoy privileged views of the Notre Dame, Louvre, Arc de Triomphe, and Les Invalides. Your guide will then leave you to enjoy the Eiffel Tower at your own pace. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.